Welcome once again to Keep on Learning Online class. My name is Teacher Emmanuel, the teacher of geography. Today we are going to learn geography where we are still on the physical geography. But our topic of today is about continental drift. It's about continental drift. So when we talk of a continental drift, what do you understand by the term? A continental drift refers to the movement of continental plates from their original position to the present day. So meaning that all continents we have all over the world, they were once together forming a single land masses called Pangea. But during Precambrian period, that Pangea was broken into two main parts. The two parts you are talking about, you have the Laurasian part as the part of the north and Gondwana land as the part of the south. So today we are going to see how those continents were formed through this continental drift. As I have said previously, when we talk of continental drift, it refers to the movement of continental plates from the original position to the present day. So meaning that we had a single land mass which was called Pangea. So this Pangea was surrounded by the water or by a large ocean called Pantarasa. So meaning that during Precambrian period, this Pangea was broken into two main parts. So we have the part of the north and the part of the south. This part of the north was called Laurasia, and the southern part was called Gondwana land. So meaning that this took place during Precambrian period. Later, during Cenozoic period, so the Laurasian part was also broken into different parts, and those parts they form the northern continents. So meaning that this Laurasia was broken into different parts, and those parts drifted away or moved away from each other, where they lead to the formation of northern continents. Northern continents. So when we talk of northern continents, we are talking about the continent of Europe, continent of Asia, and even continent of North America. This Gondwana land, also during Cenozoic period, this Gondwana land, it was broken also into different parts that formed different continents, like the continent of Australia, the continent of Africa, and even the continent of South America. So therefore, when we talk of continental drift, we are talking about the movement of those parts, they drifted away. So the continent of Africa was formed. So we have South America, North America, we have Greenland, we have Europe, we have Asia, we have Australia, and even Antarctica. So meaning that those continents were once together, once upon a time they were once together. But because of different factors, according to different theories given by geographers, where this theory was given by Alfred Wegener, where he said that the continent were once together forming only a single land masses called Pangaea, but later during Precambrian period, that Pangaea was broken into two main parts. So we have the part of the north which was called Laurasia, and the part of south which was called Gondwana. So during Cenozoic period, the two parts were also broken into small particles or small parts of land, where those lands drift away or they move away, forming different continents. So meaning that when you talk of continental drift, you are talking about the movement of continental plates. So meaning that those plates, they drifted away. They were attached, forming only one land masses, but because of different factors, they were broken and drifted away. Drifted away. So such a term is referred to a continental drift.